Hello dear friends, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. You might have several times came across the terms fixed oil and volatile oil. But do you actually know how do they differ from one another? In our today's video, we are going to compare fixed oil with volatile oils. Before we begin with our today's video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. Let's start with the first definitions of fixed oil and essential oil. So basically, fixed oil can be defined as oils that do not evaporate easily and remains liquid at room temperature. Whereas the volatile oils are those oils that evaporate quickly and have a strong fragrance behind, right? That is, the fixed oil are oils that don't evaporate easily, and these liquids are, these oils are liquid at room temperature, right? And they stay in a liquid state for a quite longer duration of time. Whereas the volatile oils, on the other hand, these are the oils that evaporate quickly and have a strong fragrance. They don't generally last for a long duration if they are placed in a open container, right? They'll be evaporating. Now moving about source, right? Where do these oils come from? So basically, fixed oils usually come from plants like that of its parts like seeds, nuts, or fruits. Example: olive oil or coconut oil. Whereas the volatile oils are found in various plant parts like that of leaves, flowers, or bark. For example, you might be knowing lavender oil, right? Which generally comes from flower of the lavender plant. Now talking about composition. So when we talk about composition, fixed oils are mainly made up of substance like that of triglycerides, right? Which are nothing but combinations of fatty acids and glycerol. And these oil are mainly composed of fats. Whereas when we talk about volatile oils, these are aromatic compounds and terpenes. And they are also responsible for their strong smell, right? These oils are often more complex in terms of their chemical nature. Now, when we talk about appearance of fixed oil and volatile oil, fixed oils are generally colorless or pale yellow and are clear in appearance, whereas volatile oils are also colorless or pale yellow but are much stronger in fragrance. Now, talking about solubility, right? So, fixed oils they don't mix with water, right? They are insoluble in water and they are usually uh, soluble in alcohol and organic solvents like that of ether. Whereas the volatile oils are soluble in alcohol and organic solvents, but unlikely fixed oils, they don't mix with water. That is why we can't add water in order to obtain a uniform mixture, right? Then moving to the next point, that is evaporation. As we have already seen in the definition, fixed oil do not evaporate at room temperature, whereas the volatile oils, also known as essential oils, they easily evaporate at room temperature. Now, when we talk about their uses, in case of fixed oil, they are widely used as a carrier oil in cosmetics and medicines, and also in food products like that of olive oil is commonly used for cooking and in beauty products. Whereas our volatile oils are used in aromatherapy, perfumes, and as a flavoring agents in food. For example, peppermint oil, right? Eucalyptus oil. You might have came across these names, right? Lavender oil. Then talking about the next point, that is oxidation. Fixed oil can eventually go bad or become rancid if they are exposed to air for a longer duration, right? This is process is due to oxidation. Whereas the volatile oils don't get rancid in the way as that of fixed oil because they evaporate quickly, leaving a very little to oxidize. And the last point, examples. So when we talk about examples, fixed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, etc. Whereas volatile or essential oils include lavender oil, peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, etc. Right? So to summarize, I'll just say that fixed oil are stable, right, fatty oils that don't evaporate and are great for food as well as skincare, whereas volatile oils are aromatic, fast evaporating oils and are used mainly for the purpose of fragrance. So that's all students in our today's video. Thank you for watching this video till end.